This section introduces AWS tools that are purpose-built to ingest different data types. This slide highlights a few of the options within AWS to simplify batch ingestion. The intent of highlighting these services is to provide examples of how the characteristics of your data and the skills and requirements of the teams should guide your choices. Several AWS services integrate with a variety of data source types and also integrate with AWS storage offerings. Other cloud vendors might also have similar offerings. The key is to consider your specific use case and make best fit choices per data source instead of trying for a one-size-fits-all solution. The next few slides summarize the features of each of these services. The Content Resources section of your online course provides links to learn more about each service. Use Amazon AppFlow to ingest data from a Software as a Service, or SaaS, application. With Amazon AppFlow, you can create a connector that reads from a source and includes filters, map, transform, and validate records to be transferred, and securely transfer to Amazon S3 or Amazon Redshift on demand, on event, or on a schedule. An example use case is to ingest customer support ticket data from the Zendesk SaaS product. Use AWS DMS to ingest data from relational databases. You can do the following with AWS DMS. Connect to source data, format it for a target, and use source filters. Use table mappings to select and transform data and perform validations after migration. And write to AWS data stores by using encrypted connections. Create a continuous replication task to stay in sync. An example use case for AWS DMS is to ingest line of business transactions from an Oracle database. Use AWS Data Sync to ingest data from file systems. You can do the following with Data Sync. Apply filters to transfer a subset of files. Use a variety of file systems as sources and targets, including Amazon S3 as a target. Securely transfer data between self-managed storage systems and AWS storage services. An example use case for Data Sync is to ingest data into Amazon S3 from a genome sequencing machine that creates and stores data on premises. The data in Amazon S3 can be used for analytics or ML applications. Use AWS Data Exchange to integrate third-party data sets into your pipeline. You can do the following with AWS Data Exchange. Find and subscribe to sources, preview a data dictionary and sample data before subscribing, copy subscribed data sets to Amazon S3, and receive notifications of updates. An example use case for AWS Data Exchange is to ingest a data set that provides de-identified clinical data from a hospital system. Here are a few key points to summarize this section. By matching the ingestion tool with the type of data store being ingested, you can simplify the work to get the data into your pipeline. Examples include Amazon AppFlow for SaaS data, AWS DMS for relational databases, and AWS Data Sync for file systems. AWS Data Exchange simplifies finding and using third-party data sets that you can ingest into your data pipeline.